What do you say we combine a little Tex-Mex with an American classic? It's my take on Sloppy Joes that I call Sloppy José taco cups. So starting with refrigerated biscuit dough, we use the larger variety, and I'll flatten it out on my board to about a 3.5-inch circle and then fit it over the bottom side of a muffin tin and then bake them in a 350 oven to form the taco cups. So while the cups are baking, I'll make the filling, and that starts with a pound of ground beef, and then I'll add in a package of taco seasoning mix, and then once the beef is cooked through, I'll add some tomato sauce or sloppy Joe sauce right out of the jar, about a half a cup. And then later on, I'll also add in a half cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Now I've taken my Sloppy José mixture and filled them in the cups, and I've also put them on a platter with some shredded lettuce, some sour cream, chopped tomatoes, and some more cheese. You can even add some olives if you want to spice it up. Why don't you add some diced jalapenos too? Now you can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and look for the Kitchen Guy icon. I'm Chef Jim. Muchas gracias for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.